ng'anyo kod sirkal oket kok gi winjruok mar tieko ng'anyo no madhi nyime. Ma bang' winjruok tamore kaka nyocha ne do chano ni tiek wachno odiechieng' ma kawuono. Tenda riwruok mar Lakteche pod omako chung' margi ni sirkal nyaka winj dwachgi eka gibiro yie mar chungo ng'anyo ma koro osekawo ndalo 54.
Amidst the complexity of this situation, it is imperative to acknowledge the areas of mutual agreement and convergence between the doctors and the government. The obstacle posed by ego-driven actions from the government should not impede the progress towards resolving this crisis and ending the strike promptly.
And our role is to strike and strike and strike until we get a return to work agreement. And as we say, our discussion is based on the sanctity of the CBA. There is no way and there is no any other way that you can tell us, or you can reiterate, or you can tell us to believe that if we have a return to work agreement that is not anchored in the CBA, then the formula will be implemented. We have had promises before, and that's why we are focused on seeing commitments and results.